Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you can see what is there behind me. Guess it what is this? Do you know? I hope you all know. These are soft brooms. It is still in the process of drying. See? This is called broom. I hope you all know this is called broom. This is called soft brooms. The soft broom that is available in the market and at your home. These brooms are coming from our place also. That is Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong. So there are lots of brooms here. So I will show you how it is prepared and how it is dried. So let's see. These soft brooms are still in the process of drying. These soft brooms will be exported to Meghalaya because Meghalaya is the nearest state to our district, that is West Karbi Anglong. Children and women are engaged in this process of drying. They dry the broom the whole day. They arrange them. They are paid 218 a day. They bring the children, and children are also engaged in this work. The price is different. The dried one costs more, and when it is still raw, the price is less, because when the broom is dried, the weight becomes less. That is why the dried one is more costly. So after drying it, they export to the other state to get in a higher price. The whole day children, they played here, and then the mothers, they work. It is enjoyable seeing them working in this way. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and if you want to see more videos, then press the bell icon. Thank you guys for watching.